Eero 7 is a really interesting option for most people who want to get their Wi-Fi outdoors. But is it worth it? Who is it really intended for, and how does it work? Well, let me explain. First of all, Eero Outdoor 7 is a Wi-Fi 7 access point. It only works with Eero routers and mesh points, so you already have to have some Eero gear in your home for this to work. You don't necessarily have to have Eero 7 devices though, as this will work with any Eero network. Now, who it's intended for is really broken up into two scenarios. There's those of us who just want to get Wi-Fi outdoors. This is a great solution for that, and it gives you Wi-Fi 7 at 2.4 and 5 gigahertz outside of your home. The other scenario is for those of you who have an acreage or a farm, and you want to get Wi-Fi up to 1,000 feet away from your home. In that case, you would purchase two of these units and they literally can beam the signal between the two of them. This is an incredible option for farms, as all you would need to do is power both units. Now, Eero 7 Outdoor can actually cover up to 15,000 square feet on its own. So if you're having trouble getting good solid Wi-Fi outdoors and you want to solve that, this is the perfect solution. It can stay outdoors, and it even did really well outside in extremely cold weather. I tested it at minus 20 degrees Celsius and it worked perfectly for multiple days. It actually got colder than that too, but that's all I'm going to claim. So if you're someone with Eero in your home, this is a great solution for all those different scenarios that I just gave you. I've been impressed with this as an upgrade to my Wi-Fi with Eero, so yes, I think this one is worth it for a lot of people.